we're going to head on to page 1 in the document. We're going to place that menu text file. It's called To Go Menu Docs, and it is a Word document from the left margin to the right margin. So I'm just going to go to File, Place, select that Word document there, excuse me, and I'm going to place it from margin to margin. And then here's where the magic happens. So I gotta make sure I'm on page 1. Let me just switch these two around here. I'm gonna move that one back in front, this one in back. And now I'm gonna flow the text to the second page. So watch what I do right here. I'm gonna zoom in. There is a little plus sign right here on this text box. I'm gonna click it and I get these little words next to this, my cursor. And this is called flowing type. And then the second page here, I'm just going to drag from margin to margin again, and that is more text. Okay, so on page 1 in the document, from left to right, we're going to create 2 columns with a gutter width of a 1/2 inch, then flow text from page 1 to page 2. Well, we've already flowed most of our text from page 1 to page 2. So I'm going to select this text box here. I'm going to go to Command B. So this is text frame options in Command B. It's also under, let me see where it's at. We'll just look right here. It is under Object, Text Range Options, Command B. So I'm going to go to Object. And I'm going to add in 2 columns. See how it changed it from 1 column to 2 columns there? And we're going to put a gutter width of a 1/2 inch in between. You can see how it's spread out there. I'm not going to insert any special spacing. I think it's fine. And then I don't have to worry about a text wrap. That's in another tutorial. We will talk about that. So I'm going to hit OK. And on that second page, well, I need to apply that as well. So I'm going to select that, hit Command B. I'm going to make sure I have 2 columns. And it did not remember my gutter width, so I got to put that in at 0.5 inches. Okay. So I'm going to click this one off right here. Check in paragraph that all text is aligned. Item is to check in paragraph that all text is aligned left with hyphenate not checked. So let's just go over here. So I have it open already. But if you can't find it, there's type, there's character, and paragraph. And pretty soon here, in just a moment, we're going to be using these character and paragraph styles. They're just a little lower down underneath type there. So I'm just going to, it doesn't work, it doesn't highlight what it is until you have that T tool on. Let me show you something. So if I click once, I get one word. 1, 2, 3, I guess it's 1, 2 is one word. 2, 3 is one sentence. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will select all my text, the whole document. So just know that. That makes it easier sometimes. So I'm going to unselect hyphenate. If you can't see it, show those options right there. It's on the bottom part, and we are aligned left. So we're good to go there. I'm going to go back up to this first page here and click off that item. Oops, there we go. Align text box on page 1 and 2 exactly at 1.75, so 1 3/4 inch from the top. Add a ruler guide from the top. So I have my rulers on Command R. I'm going to pull that guide down to 1.75 inches, And I'm just going to align. If it's okay if the text flows off right now, because we're going to fix it with the style sheets and it will all fit. So probably would have helped if I had just done that on my master page, since I'm going to have to apply it to both pages. So 1.75 inch. See, it will apply to both. See how anything I do to that master page then applies right there.